How to knit the mock ribbing stitch, English style. For this tutorial, you will need a pair of knitting needles and a ball of yarn. Special thanks to our sponsor Southwest Trading Company for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their bamboo line in the color salmon. For this stitch you'll need to know the following techniques: knit, purl, slip stitch. To begin this stitch you must cast on in multiples of 2 plus 1. Row 1. We're going to begin by knitting 1. Then we're going to start our repeat by purling 1. And we'll finish our repeat by knitting 1. So we'll continue knitting 1 and purling 1 until the end of the row. Row 2. We're going to begin by purling 1. Then we're going to start our repeat by keeping the yarn in front and slipping the next stitch purlwise. And then we're going to purl 1. So we'll continue slipping 1 and purling 1 until the end of the row. Repeat rows 1 and 2 until you've reached your desired length. And that's how you knit the mock ribbing stitch. After a few repeats, your pattern should look like this. Want more new stitch a day? Join our VIP email list to get every stitch directly to your inbox. Sign up today at newstitchaday.com/VIP.